Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Capture Lens Media. Today we are showing how to create loading screen in After Effects. Let's get straight into After Effects. Before getting started, please subscribe my channel. You will get After Effects and graphic tutorials every week. Already I had set the composite in After Effects. Already there are two layers, color 1 and 2 for reference. Select the rectangle shape and draw a rectangle. Go to Pan Behind tool, press Ctrl button and double click the Pan Behind tool for adjusting pivot point to center. Then select the shape layer, press Enter to rename the shape layer to Inner and give the fill color on that layer from color reference. Now I am creating duplicate on inner layer and rename it as Out. Select a stroke color from reference to that layer. Select Out layer, press S for scale and unlink the constraint proportion. Give 102 for X value and 115 for Y value. Go to inner layer, select the Pan Behind tool, adjust the pivot point to left side. Now I am creating text layers for loading text and count numbers. We designed loading screen now. Next, I am animating the progress bar. Select inner layer, press S for scale and unlink the constraint proportion. Go to timeline to 0 and click stopwatch to add key to circle, then give the X value as 0. Go to timeline 10 second, give X value to 100. Now you can see the progress bar animation. Go to timeline 0, select 100 number text layer, select source text, press Alt key and click stopwatch, add key with script. Then select and drag whip to inner scale option. Now play the animation. Here numbering is not caught. We want to add some scripts to this. It's very simple. Click that script, then add math.round, delete close bracket. Go to script end portion, add close bracket there. Then play the animation. Now you can see loading and numbering is perfect. Thank you for watching my tutorial. See you in next video.